Pagdating po sa Senado, ano po ang assessment naman po ninyo?
Yun, ang Senado very tricky ang mangyayari diyan kasi syempre mas intense ang trial diyan at may prosecution ka talaga which is would be represented by the House of members of the House.
Oo.
And then of course may sitting judges ka ng mga senator. And then I think the camp of the VP will attend, and I think they're preparing for the trial in the Senate. That's what I know based on sa mga pronouncement ng kanilang kampo. So sa akin, when you talk about voting, 2/3 ang kailangan ng Senado, kailangan para ma-impeach or ma-remove. Kasi
Yes.
when you talk about impeach sa House, if in any case, impeach siya. Pero in terms of removal as the VP, mangyayari yan sa Senado if nagkaroon ka ng Senate trial. So when you talk about that voting, I think it's not easy to get the 2/3 votes. Because if you look at the Senate, iba-iba ang pinanggagalingan ng mga senador. Iba-iba din ang kanilang mga political affiliation. And I don't think the Senate totally is controlled by the camp of the Marcos camp. So or the Marcos plus all camp, no? So hindi yan madali na proseso, but when you talk about numbers, syempre mas dehado si VP kasi iilan lang ang minority mo, hindi pa natin alam, to be frank, kung lahat ng minority will be on her side.
Yeah.
Because it's an assumption na pag sinabi mong minority is nasa VP side. No, it's not like that. So hirap ang laban sa Senate for both camps. Pero ang kailangan dyan kasi it's you know what, ganito yun, may 2028 election ka. So ang mga politiko, lalo na ang mga senador, will always be kumbaga ang kanilang strategy, they will vote based on one consideration dyan is pagdating sa public opinion. Kung anong sinasabi ng tao, kung anong tingin ng tao, ang mga politiko usually, especially sa national level, doon yan pupunta or doon yan aayon. Kasi kailangan nila ng boto by 2028, which is a national election. So, very important sa factor, if in any case there will be a Senate trial, na magkaroon ng balanse or malabanan ng VP camp ang public opinion. Ibig sabihin, they need really to be strong in presenting their defense and counter evidences against the prosecution that will be represented by the members of the House. So yun yung laban doon. Kasi dalawa yan, presenting the evidences and legal arguments mo and how you gonna win the public opinion ng majority of the Filipinos. Kasi dyan titignan kung paano po posisyon ang mga senador. Pero when you talk about reaching the 2/3 vote, mahirap yun. Mahirap yan.
Mahirap po sa kampo ni VP.
Mahirap, oo. Hindi, kumbaga she's saying...
For both sides.
For both sides.
Oo.
Parang you're saying, at this point, parang uncertain, kung sinong mananalo.
50-50.
Kung ma-impeach, kumbaga, tabla pa for now.
Mahirap mo siyang sabihin na matatalo si VP or mananalo si VP. Mahirap yan. It depends on how the proceeding will go, and it depends kung paano ang depensa ni VP at paano naman ang prosecution sa kanilang mga narrative at saka maipipresent nila na mga ebidensya mo, solid ba yan or hindi naman. So ganun yun.